Carpe is a brand that specializes in products designed for those who experience excessive sweating or hyperhidrosis. Their deodorants and antiperspirants are different from many over-the-counter options, offering unique formulations. Pros: effective. Carpe deodorants and antiperspirants often deliver results where other products fail, significantly reducing sweating and odor. Natural ingredients. Many Carpe formulas use natural ingredients, with a focus on botanicals, which can be less irritating to some users. Variety. Carpe offers various products designed for underarms, hands, feet, and other sweat-prone areas. Clinical strength option. For severe sweating, Carpe's clinical strength antiperspirant can be a godsend. Cons: cost. Carpe products are more expensive than typical drugstore deodorants. Irritation potential. Some users may experience skin irritation, especially with the clinical strength formula. Not for everyone. While effective for many, Carpe might not work for all individuals. Limited availability. Carpe isn't widely carried in stores like standard brands, making it harder to find locally. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.